Instructional Design and Delivery, Rubric Number 2. Instructional Design and Delivery, Rubric 2, Module 2C, Domain 3, Instructional Design. Based on these specific course objectives, the content needs to be sequenced and structured. This enables students to achieve the stated goals. The content should be chunked within this sequence so students can better process the information. The purpose of learning activities should be clearly presented and aligned to the objectives. This structure and alignment aids in learning. When using multimedia for instructional purposes, audio and video files should have a specific purpose that does not distract from the course goals and objectives. All audio and video files should be short and relevant to the course content. For the purpose of learner engagement, longer audio and videos should be segmented into clips no longer than 3 minutes. The tools and media must support the learning objectives and should be appropriately chosen and appropriately varied to enhance student interactivity with the course content. This image is a module sequence of a course. From this we can see that the content has been sequenced and chunked. Learning activities using a variety of tools have been created for each module, as well as assessments. These course materials align with the objectives and outcomes stated in the syllabus as well as the schedule. Outside resources, such as textbook online websites, can be integrated easily into the assignment and pages using links. Here we have an example of online flashcards being used as a learning activity. This activity uses visual interactive media to engage students in vocabulary review that aligns with the course content and objectives. During some content, instructional videos provide a more appropriate learning tool. Videos allow the instructor to display content in a dynamic manner and can easily show real-life scenarios or experiments. Remember when using videos to keep them short and structured while focusing on the learning outcomes. Things to look for when determining if a course only meets the baseline requirements. The course does not explicitly state content sequence of the course as aligned to the goals, outcomes, and objectives. Learning activities are not structured and chunked for students. Media content may be misleading or not aligned to the course objectives. A limited variety of instructional media is being incorporated. Review questions. Select the best description of course structure when using instructional design best practices. The correct answer is course objectives content are aligned, sequenced, chunked, and purposed. The use of instructional media is important to engaging the learners with content interaction. Therefore, an exemplary instructor should use relevant, segmented, and appropriate audio and video tools to deliver their content. The correct answer is true. Problem scenario. Dr. Doe's course has a sequenced format that is based on objectives, aligned to standards, and her textbook resources. You can identify modules, rubrics, objectives, and learning activities. Using the rubric section below, rank this best practice problem scenario. The correct answer is exemplary. Learning outcomes and course competencies are identified and learning activities are clearly integrated and aligned with the learning outcomes and course competencies. Module 2C Summary. Domain 3. All course content should be sequenced and chunked with appropriate learning media integrated throughout.